got into this business because my mother was dying of cancer and she died when I was 12. And we saw her suffer. That's where the interest came from, was there has to be a better way. There has to be a natural way, whether it's prevention, whether it's a cure, whether it's lifestyle, there has to be a better way of preventing cancers and all illnesses. All the things that we felt, all that research is now coming out of the universities, the research centers, proving that what we felt back in the 60s and 70s was right. These plants and these formulas do contain strong medicinal healing properties. We want to produce the best product available. We build the best formulas and we know people come and buy them and get a benefit from them. So it is a complex, changing environment, and we need to have a software program that allows us to continually expand.
We said we want to go with a company that's going to be able to provide us the tools and the information that's required for us to have a clear vision in the future of where the company wants to go. When they came in and implemented the system for us, we had a specific need of inventory control where we asked for a 2D code that enables us to have a very, very tight control on an inventory that's over 99%. Now, the way we've built our modules with Forgestiks and helping us doing some extra, crystal reports, as you can add on to Business One, that really, really helps us. As the product makes its way through our company and goes to the pick and pack area where they actually pack the bottles for shipping, they scan it on a computer and it controls the inventory just like that. So at the end of the day, we know exactly what our inventory is, what we sold at the click of a button, which is really, really cool.
We wouldn't be where we are today unless we had taken on and learned how to use SAP Business One 5 years ago. The future is in the leaves, in the roots, in the bark of the plants, and we believe that's the future of the world.